kids, welcome back to our channel. This is Ibrahim. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do something very interesting. We are going to learn 20 sea animals' name with video and pictures. So let's begin. Octopus, dolphin, sea turtle, jellyfish, squid, shark, clownfish, blue tang, humpback whale, killer whale, whale shark, penguin, seahorse, starfish, stingray, lobster, hermit crab, crab, seal. So kids, that's all today. So don't forget to subscribe so you will find more new videos that I will post. That's all today. See you next time. Bye bye.